Hello guys, welcome to Commerce Data. In this very short video, we are going to see how to calculate the rank in UGC and examination. Generally, rank will not be published by NTA or CBSE. The examination body is not going to publish any type of ranks. But people will tell you in the YouTube interviews or various things they have got All India rank number 1, All India rank number 2. How they will calculate actually. Actually, I used to think like they were telling very fake. But when I went into the calculation, I got to know that there is a calculation where we can get to know by using this formula where we will get to know the rank of the particular candidate who is in the UGC net by the result sheet which is given by the NTA itself. So let us try to find out that one. So in order to identify the rank guys, there is a formula which is used. With this we can easily tackle or easily get the rank of the particular candidate. Rank is equal to n minus p into n divided by 100. That means n is equal to number of candidates who is appeared in that particular subject and p is equal to percentile score that a candidate got. These are the two parameters. I will tell you with an example. If you look at this mark sheet which is here, this is December 18 mark sheet. Here this person who belong to commerce, in the commerce if you look at total 1,15,448 members have been registered, but to the exam only 90,380 people appeared. That means this is n is equal to number of the candidate who appeared in that particular commerce, number of candidate who appeared in the commerce, and he got a percentile of 92.9653 in the paper 1 and 99.9923 in the paper 2 and 99.9524 in the paper both all together 99.95 percentile. So now how we need to tackle? We can identify his rank in paper 1 also, we can identify his rank in paper 2 exclusively also, and we can identify aggregatively total all together in the commerce by including paper 1 and paper 2 also we can able to identify. Let us try to take the same numbers. First we'll calculate the total aggregate rank. 99.9524 is the percentile and 90380 is the candidates who appeared. Now if you put it in the formula, the rank is equal to, wait, I will take the white color. Rank is equal to n 90,000, how many? 90,380. 90,380 minus p, that is percentile. Percentile is 99.9524. 99.9524. It will be multiplied by number of candidates, that is n only. That is 9380. 380 divided by 100. Now you can get the calculation simply. You can get the calculation 90,380 minus 99.9524 into 90380 divided by 100. That is 9336. Now 9336 minus 9380. That means this person is an 43 All India rank. All India rank 43 in the commerce category. That is what the total number of candidates minus candidates appeared into percentile. This is also candidates appeared in the exam. This is also candidate appeared in the exam. So this by using this formula we can able to identify 43 is an All India rank for this particular person. Now if at all you want to know the rank in commerce, instead of the total percentile which you have taken, you can take the percentile of this only the exclusively commerce, that is 99.9923. In place of this 9923 you can take it. Multiply with the same number so that you will get the exact rank in the commerce also, you will get it easily. This is how the calculation will be done guys. I hope you got somehow new information with this with regard to the rank calculation, how the rank will be calculated. Once your result is out, you can also get the calculation of the rank, and various other videos also I posted from yesterday and day before yesterday. Normalization concept very much important when multiple sessions are there. How NTA will calculate the ranking and result procedure. And before that I posted another video about the cutoff calculation. Kindly see those videos that I am giving a link over here. Bye guys, we'll be meeting in the next video. Thank you all.